Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a proper Instagram ad in 2023. My name is Aneju. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now what you want to do is to log into your ads manager. This is how the ads manager look like, and when you are logged into your ads manager you click on create. When you click on create, it's going to ask you to choose a campaign objective. Now you can see there are different campaign objectives here. We have the awareness, we have the traffic, we have engagement, leads, app promotion, sales. But for the purpose of these tutorials, we are going to be using sales as our campaign objective. This is because we are running an Instagram ad and we want to convert, we want to make sales. Let's assume we are selling a particular product and you want to use Instagram. So let's use sales as our campaign objective. So when you are here, when you click on sales, you click on next or continue. It's loading. So this is how it looks like. So it's going to ask us to name this our campaign objective. So let's name it weight loss. I'm going to be naming it weight loss because we want to sell a weight loss product. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Now you can see the A/B test, you can see advantage, campaign budget and the rest. You have no business here. Don't tamper with this thing. You just want to run a simple advert and you don't want to make it very complicated for yourself by trying to test the A/B and the rest. So you're going to leave this page like this. All you want to do is just to name the campaign name. Let me copy this name. So when you're done here, you click on next. So when we are here, you can see this ad set. What this ad set is ad set is where you set up your advert. This is where you do a proper setup. People that are seeing your ad will definitely not see your ad sets. They are going to only see your advert. This is where you do the technical stuff and where you do your setup, your ad setup properly. So when you are here, it's asking you to add set name. What's the ad set name? Let's name it weight loss one. And when you say choose where you want to drive sales, we want to drive sales to messaging apps. We want to use the Instagram app, the message to actually push traffic here. So when you choose messaging app, you go down, you can see it's asking us to select a Facebook page that we want to use. So this is what I want to use. I want to use a particular page that has an Instagram account. So I'm going to be using this. So when you choose this, now when it comes to this messaging app, since we are running an Instagram ad, you don't want to have anything to do with this Facebook Messenger. So you untick it. You also don't want to have anything to do with the WhatsApp Messenger because you are not running a WhatsApp ad. So you uncheck it. So we are going to be leaving just the Instagram ads. So because you are going to be running these messages to Instagram, so you only want to focus on Instagram to be able to get a high conversion. So when you do that, you go down. Now you go down. You don't have any business with all this maximum performance goal, you cost per result goal optional. All these ones are optional. So your main concern here should be your budget. How much budget do you want to spend every day? Let's assume for this particular ad you want to spend like 5,000 naira. This is what we want to spend every day, 5,000. So in your own case, maybe you want to spend 20,000, or I don't know the amount you want to spend for daily in this particular advert. So when you do that, you can see here, you can decide to change this time. Let's assume you want this ad to start running by let's say you want it to start running by 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. the next day. Or I prefer to leave my ad to start running 12 a.m. because it's a fresh start of a day. Let's say 00. So I want this ad to start running by 12 a.m. on 31st May. So when you do that, you go down. Now, it's asking for our custom audiences. If you have a custom audience, you can upload. It's asking for location. This step here, you come here, you click on this arrow here, you change the location, and you want to use people. You can see, let me click on the drop down menu. You can see we have people living in or recently in this location. We have people living in this location. Now you want to use people living in this location. You don't want people who came to Nigeria and they traveled abroad. You don't want them to start seeing your product. You want people living in this location. You can choose that. Now this is it. Then let's come here and we want to choose a particular location in Nigeria. Probably you don't want to target the whole of Nigeria, and let me use Abuja for example. We want to target people in Abuja. As you can see, we just selected only people in Abuja. So this is how the radius is. You can see you selected people in Abuja, and you can go down. When you are done, you can go down to see the age. What age? What's their age? Are they from 18? The people that are going to use your product. Let's assuming people that are going to be using your product are from people from 25 to, let's say, 59 years old. Genders, are they male, female? You can choose that. And when you do that, you come here, detail targeting. Now, this is talking about the interest. People who are going to be interested in this advert. I don't want to go into details about this. You can decide to say, okay, who are the people that might be interested? Maybe mothers. You can search for people that you know that will be interested. You can see single, maybe single mothers or working parents. You can select them. You can, if you have a number of interests that you want to use, you can actually do that. Then let's go for placement. This is how the placement is. Facebook is out to make money, and they are going to give you a whole lot of placement. But because you are selecting just for Instagram ads, you can come here, you choose your manual placement. Click on this manual placement. Then you go down. It's already they've removed Facebook audience and Messenger. So our placement is only going to be on Instagram. So when you do that, you go down and you can see Instagram feeds, stories, Instagram search results. So this is where we want our placement. This is where our ads are going to be showing. So when you do that, you click on next. As you can see, it brought us here. So this is where it gets a little tricky. Now we want to change this our ad name. We want to still name it to be weight loss, maybe 2. This is our Instagram account. Now ad setup. This is where we are going to do our proper setup to actually run this ad. Ad setup, you click on this drop down menu. You are going to be using use existing post. The reason why you are using existing post is because let's assume you have an existing post that is actually has a lot of engagement on Instagram. You want to push that post, make the post, push it so that you can make more sales. That's where this trick comes from. Now, this multi advertisers, we are going to uncheck it because we don't want our ad to be showing alongside other multiple business or other adverts. We want our ad to stand alone. So when you do that, you can see the media here, ad creative. You can now select the post. Let's select the post. These are different posts on Instagram that we've made so far. And let's see, let's select this post. You don't want to use a post from Facebook, Instagram Reel. You want to use a proper post that you made on Instagram. So let's see, let's use this post and let's click on continue. So this is how it's going to look like. So we're using an existing post that have a lot of engagement. So this is it. This is how it looks like. As you can see, this is how it's going to be showing to people on their Instagram feeds, the search results, and the rest. So when you are done with this setup, you can see the call to action. We have a call to action here. Is click on send message. The call to action is send message, and that's what we want to use. So as you can see, we've actually set up a proper Instagram advert that is going to show for people. And this advert is one that is definitely going to convert as long as you do your setup, you get your objective right, you get your interest and your demographic right. This is how to do a proper Instagram advert in 2023. Hope this video was helpful. My name is Aneju. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.